Welcome back. In this section, we are going to continue our tutorial on logarithmic equation by attempting to solve this question. This question says, solve log x plus 1 is 4 minus x minus 3 is 4 is equal to 1. And the first thing we will notice here is there is a minus sign. So minus sign tells us how to divide logarithm. That is the quotient law. So we are going to base them, all of them, into base 4, and we are going to say log 4 x plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 1. I think that is the first step we are going to take. So it becomes log x plus 1 is 4 over x minus what? 3. Now take note that that log is supposed to be log x plus 1 over log x minus 1. So the log up and down has already cancelled the log. So it becomes log 4 x plus 1 minus over x minus 2 is equals to 4 raised to power 1. That is to say, log x plus 1 over x minus 3 is equal to 4 over 1. What did we do? We cross multiply. You multiply 1 to x plus 1 and 4 to x minus 3. And it becomes 4 into x minus 3 is equals to 1 into x plus 1. Now 4x times x is 4x, and 4 times minus 3 is minus 12. It's equals to 1 times s is x, then 1 times 1 is 1. Then what we do now is to take the like terms together. It becomes 4x minus x is equals to 12 plus 1. 12 plus 1. That is 4x. 4 times s is equals to 4x. X times 3 is equals to minus 12. Then minus 12. Then 1 times s is equals to 1. 1 times x is equals to x. And 1 times 1 is equals to 1. That is how we arrive at 4x minus 12 is equals to x plus 1. Now we take like terms together. It becomes 4x. When s crosses the sign of equality to the other side of the equation, it becomes minus x. 4s minus x is equals to 12. Then 1 plus 12. That is 3x is equals to 13. I divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of 3, the coefficient of x. And the coefficient of x there is 3. So it becomes 3 over 3 is equals to 13 over 3. And 3 cancel 3, it becomes s is equals to 13 over 3. So that it becomes 3 over 3 is equals to 13 over 3. And this invariably gives us x is equals to 13 over 3. S is equals to 13 over 3, and that is the answer. That is the solution. We are going to take another example in this series. And that example is example 2, which says evaluate 2 log x plus log 3 is equals to 75. 2 log x base 10 plus log 3 base 10 is equals to what? Log 75 base 10. They are all in base 10. And the first thing we recognize, or the first law we are recognizing, is the product law. And the first two that is talking about addition, we are going to multiply there. And the other one, we are going to simplify it. So we go. The first step is to move the power back to x. We move the power back to x. So I become log x raised to the power 2 plus 3. So that is the first step we are going to do. So let us go ahead. Two log x plus 3, plus 3, okay, that is now log s square is then multiplied by 3 is equals to log 75 base 10 is equals to log 75 base 10. What we do, this one become s square multiplied by 3 become 3s square base 10 is equals to log 75 base 10. We'll go ahead. Then it becomes the log, we cancel the log. Log 10 cancel the log in the opposite equal side. So we are now left with 3s square is equals to 75. 3s square is equals to 75. Divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of s square. And the coefficient of s square in the question is 3. So it becomes 3s square divided by 3 is equals to 75 divided by 3 is equals to s square is equals to 25. Then take the square root of both sides of the equation. To take the square root of both sides of the equation, we have x is equals to plus the root of 25. Then x is equals to plus or minus 5. S is equals to plus or minus 5. So s is equals to 5. Because logarithm cannot be in a negative, cannot have negative sign. So the 2 log x is the one we use in x square because of the exponent law.